Hey there, Tina Connell here, back with
Chris Bedard, Norcom Mortgage.
So today we're going to talk about what happens when we get that clear to close.
So lender perspective here, clear to close, there's a couple of milestones. So the first thing is just because you're clear to close, nothing can happen with your job. So from the day that it's clear to close to the day that we close, we're going to make sure that you're still employed.
Yes, very important.
Next thing is that, okay, so you're clear to close. So there's one more process that needs to take place. So my closing department, working on multiple loans, by the way. So from your clear to close to the day that you are going to close, there's a process behind the scenes where my closing department communicates with the title company, puts the state of Maine disclosures, federal disclosures, everything sort of comes together for that closing day with the escrow of taxes and insurance, that final calculation. So then we get a final number. You do have to wait a little bit, and then the day of the closing. This one's always fun.
Yes.
So, money doesn't magically appear. It's something that actually comes in the form of a wire, and from us, we're going to send the money to the title company, and that wire needs to pass through the Fed. How long does that take? 5 minutes? Up to 3.5 hours? So if you're going to do an early in the morning closing, sometimes when you're waiting for money, that's why. Money needs to pass through the Fed. It's a big chunk of money. It needs to be approved. People are watching us. People are paying attention to what we're doing. I guess, guys, that's what the process looks like once you're clear to close. Don't lose your job. Be patient. Wait for the figures to come. And then once they're there, the day of the closing, you need to wait for your funds to show up.